What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, my name's Noelani and we bring everything beauty brought to you by the queen herself. And if you're joining us again, my love, how are you? So today, as y'all can see, we're about to get into this unit. It's giving stuff. It's beautiful. And it actually came this color, and that's what I'm so excited about. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm going to show you how I slayed this wig. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. This hair was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair, and you already know I'm going to link it down below in the description box for y'all, but honestly, I'm just amped about this color. Okay, so, wow, look at this unit. The color, are you kidding? It's so pretty. Can't wait to install. But they also sent 2 wig caps. But yeah, it's a 2-pack, of course. And this cute headband. Look how cute. Okay, thank you so much for sending that over for me. Now let's go over what we're gonna need. Okay, so obviously you're going to need your hair of choice, and I think this is easier with a mannequin head just so that you can see how it's going to look on a head, because I'm going to pluck it a little bit. Wig caps. It's best to get one that's closest to your scalp color, or you can tint them with makeup, of course. I have an edge brush with a rat tail and mousse for laying the edges. You can use whatever you want, but I like this little brushy because it has the comb and the brush and this rat tail end. And your glue, I'm using the Bold Hold Active. Then we're gonna need a mixing bowl and a brush. This is Clarol Professional Powder Lightener, and I just have some 20 volume developer. This is Wella brand. Don't come for me, I'll be mixing. I'm gonna use this seam ripper to take out the fake scalp that's inside the wig. Scissors, oh goodness. Scissors for cutting any length off if I decide to. Y'all know I'm indecisive, don't come for me. Some clippies to clip away any extra hair in the way. Okay, so we started by cutting out that full scalp as I was talking about before. It's really thin, it's easy to remove. Then we're gonna go ahead and flip the wig upside down on the mannequin, and this is just gonna go ahead and make it easier for you to bleach. I use these metal T-pins to secure the wig onto the mannequin. This is what they look like. Then I went ahead in with my powdered lightener and my developer, mixed that together until we got like a nice little chunky, pasty, puddingy type vibe. You don't want it to fall off your brush, some tick. Okay, and we're just applying that right to our part in the front of the lace. Then 10 minutes of soaking, and I checked the knots. I went ahead with neutralizing shampoo, and I'm using the comb plucking method. So as I'm plucking, I'm combing it through so that I can see exactly where I'm at. And we're just going randomly. There's no plan, there's no rhyme or reason here. Okay, you just want to randomly remove the hair. And notice how I'm also going back into the hairline. You're going to want to part the hair and go back a little bit so it's not giving doll head. You know what I'm saying? We trying to give natural, boo. Frontal or whatever. So this is how we going to do it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the hair. This is just a treatment spray, you know, protects from heat and all that nonsense. So I'm just quickly going ahead and blow drying the hair, getting it nice and dry. Then we're gonna go ahead, and I really just cut it a little bit. I wanted to go bob, but I'm always doing the most, so I just cut a little bit just to frame the face. And then I just went ahead and straightened the whole unit. Now I was thinking I'm just gonna do it straight, but then who are we, extra as fuck, so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and curl it. And here you're gonna see me testing the curls that I want to do. I was thinking maybe I could use the straightener to do the curls, but then I changed my mind. I was like, it wasn't given what I wanted it to. Like, peep this, look at this. all that twisting I would have to do, and it's giving me no curl. So curling wand, I pinned up the curled, used some Got2b spray to hold them. Now I'm just using the cap method. We're not gluing the cap down or nothing. And if you want to see how I usually press my hair down because it's so short, I got a link in my description for my last video on my install. Now I'm just pulling this cap back a little bit just to get all my hair to lay down. I don't want my edges sticking out at all because, you know, you don't want the glue touching those. Then we're just going in with some powder foundation, and I am using a needle and thread and elastic band to sew into the hair and to give you a better hold. Just cutting off the back lace here. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and throw that baby on her head, and make sure you're lining up your part with your, like, the center of your nose or where you want it, but I want it in the center, so make sure it's in the center. Fold the lace back. I pinned it so it can stay out of my way. Now we're gonna get our glue and just go ahead along where you want it. Spread it out with your rat tail comb. You're going to use your blow dryer to dry completely clear in between layers. I can't stress this enough. Make sure it is clear, boo, or it's just not going to make your lace look as nice and melted as it could. Moving on. This is me doing the second layer. We're going to go ahead and dry her clear like we did the other one. Now when you pull your lace down, pull it tight, boo. Pull it tight. Then get your comb and comb back to really melt that lace in and serve some scalp. Now I'm taking my silk wrap. Make sure it's silk. Make sure it's silk. Make sure it's silk. And we're wrapping everything up to hold down, giving it some time. And now I gotta take out all these goddamn pins. Oh, these curls was so cute, but I had pins in my hair for days. I really hate those damn pins. Anyway, worth it, Noelani. It was definitely worth it. Next, I'm just shaking these curls out a little bit, trying to make sure everything's falling how I like it. Holding the curls with some Got2b, make sure they don't fall out too much. Now we're removing our wrap. I'm just finger combing the curls here, trying to make sure I like how they fallen. And it's definitely giving. It's already giving. Girl, you did it. Oh my god. Okay, focus, Noelani. Focus. Stop looking in the mirror, girl. Look at me smiling. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna cut that out. I'm gonna let y'all have this part. Now I'm just going ahead with my curling wand and just pushing the hair where I want it so that I can cut this lace off. And after we cut it off, I'm going to go ahead in and cut out some baby hairs. I like to use these little scissors so I can see what I'm doing. And I use my favorite little edge brush and some tresemee mousse and throw that right on to the baby hairs to start laying them. And I do apply mousse to my edge brush as well, kind of like toothpaste, so I can lay them babies real nice. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Oh, wrapped, boom, done. Wow, it looks so good. Yes, y'all, I did the damn thing. Okay, bird. Of course, we need to take a moment to just get into it. Cause wow, oh my gosh. The wig is doing what it's giving what it's supposed to give, you know what I'm saying? The link for the wig's in the description, y'all, so in case you want to cop it. It did take a little bit of work to get it to look this bomb, but I think it was worth it. I'm in love with it. I would definitely get another one. I'd probably get it longer. The hair is really nice. It's not too full, but you know, we're pulling off this look here, so I think it's bomb and it's definitely worth the price. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. You already know I will catch you in the next one. Have a good rest of your week, my love, and bye-bye.